Wake up, neighbors! It's time for Mittens in the Morning, a community cat news production. I'm your host, Mittens, and today we're gonna play a game. To play this game, you don't need your eyes, nose, or claws. All you need is your ears. It's time for Name That Sound! I've got two neighborhood cats on the line ready to play. The caller who correctly names the most sounds will win a stick of beef jerky I found under the couch. Let's meet our contestants. Caller number one, tell us who you are and where you're calling from.
Oh, hello. Yes, this is Uma. This is Uma Furman. Uma Furman. Yes, it's not Pulp Fiction. I am a cat who likes cat things.
Me too. Welcome to the show. And caller number two, you're on the air.
Hi, name's Wallace.
Welcome to the show, Wallace. I don't think we've met. You live in the neighborhood?
No, I'm just here visiting relatives, distant relatives.
Oh, how long are you in town?
15, 20 minutes tops, so I'm in a bit of a hurry.
All right, let's get started. Uma Furman, here is your first sound.
Oh, I know this one. It's a can opener. I had one of those once, but it didn't work. It was more of a can't opener. A can't opener. Get him. Get it? Commercial break.
That's correct. 1 point to Uma Furman. Wallace, your turn now. Here's your sound.
That's a can of wet food being cracked open.
Ah, not quite. It's a can of cherry lime Sprite. Better luck next time. Round two. Uma Furman is in the lead. Uma, get ready. Here is your sound.
Oh, you can't be serious.
Oh, easy. That's a car horn, which reminds me of a joke. When is a car not a car? When it turns into a driveway. Whee! Camera one, camera two, rolling.
These jokes sound awfully familiar.
Your turn, Wallace. Here's your sound.
Sounds like kibble falling into a metal bowl.
Oof, not even close. That's a vintage typewriter composing the works of Shakespeare.
Yes.
Uma, name this sound.
That's a dog barking. But if he wasn't barking, he would be a hush puppy. You get it? All right, play me up. What are my cash and prizes? Is there a copy of the home game?
That's absolutely ridiculous.
Your turn, Wallace. Here's your sound.
Oh, I actually know this one. It's a French coffee press, specifically a Presse Noir brand, only available in the south of France.
Wow, Wallace, that's amazing. You almost got it. It's the north of France, not the south.
What?
Congratulations, Uma! You win the beef jerky stick.
This is an outrage. That is clearly Jim Harry putting on a stupid voice to sneak onto the show.
Tom?
Yeah, well, let me tell you something. Working with cats is very strenuous. You play music, they only want to hear one song. And it's by Florence and the Machine. The dog days are over! And if you like these jokes, folks, you can come see me, Jim Harry, raccoon comedian extraordinaire, and part-time dentistry. This Friday night, 11 o'clock, behind the dumpster. Chickens getting free, and your money for nothing.
Well, Well, now I have to disqualify both of you. Jim's not a cat, and Tom works for the station.
My human put me on a diet, and I need that jerky.
Oh, what a coincidence. I'm on a seafood diet. I see food, and I eat it. Oh, that's it for me. I'm out of here. You've been great. Da-da-da-da-da.
Go to commercial.
Has your human decided that you need to go on another diet? When will the madness end? Your human cannot legally prevent you from getting all the beef jerky you could ever want. That means beef jerky packages. That means beef jerky sticks. You could have a little house made of beef jerky if your heart so desires. This is the Beef Jerky Act of 1993. I'll be darned if your human is going to get away with this. I'm Meow Meow Puffytail, feline rights attorney. Call today, 555-555, just lay on the phone. He's your human, make him pay.